Hello guys and welcome. Today you catch me down on the Leeds Liverpool canal down at Shipley. We're going to try and be catching some pike on dead baits and then of course some perch as well. We're going to see how that goes, using drop shotting tactics for the perch and then dead baits for the pike. So yeah, you can see it down there, just in the background down there, the canal. That's where we're going to be starting, and we're going to be working our way down towards Apley Bridge. So yeah, we'll catch you if we catch, or even if we don't catch actually. Hoping I'll be able to get some cool takes on camera, because I will be switching to lure tactics later on. So yeah, stay tuned for that and I'll catch you in a minute. Oh, was that a bite already? Yeah. Yeah. It's a good start. Yeah, it was definitely a bite. But obviously this area has a lot of jacks in it, and I'm using quite a big bait. But it definitely went under. Probably dropped it now anyway. So just had a few missed bites down there under the bridge, as well as catching one perch, but I think my worm is just a bit too big really. It's not a real worm, it's a little plastic imitation sticktail grub. So I'm just going to switch to a smaller size hook and trim a bit of plastic off that lure and see if it helps me hook up with a few more takes. Going for something a bit different this time. It's just a shorter version of the first thing I had on. And it's in a different colour as well, because green can work quite well, especially down here, I've found in the past. Even if this, it's not really green, it's sort of like a washed out disgusting colour, but it might work. So let's give it a try. Yeah. Well, there you have it guys. The quick change paid off. Just switched that little bit smaller lure, but first drop and we've got a perch. Yes. Oh, it's not a bad one. Oh no! Just lost a good one. Yep, that was definitely bigger than average. But it fell off. Well, you catch us again after having just had a little bash on the drop shot. It is horrific weather outside, as you can probably see from my surroundings, but we've been managing to keep semi-dry under that bridge just behind me. And we've caught a few perch, haven't we?
We have indeed.
Yeah, some proper cool takes as well. So we're going to show you them now. We've had about 15 between us, mainly wasps, but yeah, we'll take a look at those now, and then we'll get them put back.
cold and wet.
I'm just getting a drop that's going down my neck every so often, and that's just like, it's putting me off. But apart from that, it's all right.
It's warm in the John Dory.
Yeah.
So it's not warm. Okay.
Mm. At least it was only small.
Proper f***ing pissing it down, Elias.
Yeah. You're not wrong. Yep, it's over now. Just a quick outro for you. We ended up fishing in Apley Bridge, not in the marina because you're not allowed to fish there. We were just, I don't know if you can see, past all these boats. The canal resumes, and that is where we've been fishing. We had quite a few bites actually, although some of them were really weird. I think we had like 4 bites in total, but only 1 fish hooked, and that's because I think when looking at the marks made on the baits we were using, some of the fish that must have been taken out of baits were really small, you know, proper jack size, like pound sort of sized fish. So yeah, unsurprising that we didn't hook many. The one fish I did lose, you will have seen it on camera. That one would have been about, it looked about 3 or 4, something like that. Not a big fish, but yeah, definitely looking forward to getting back to this area to try and see if there's anything a little bit bigger lurking around. Thanks for watching, if you've stuck through all the way to the end, and I'll catch up with you at some point.